Are you a computer science student in your first year of college? Are you wondering what tasks you should have accomplished by the end of the year? Well, fear not. In this video, we will go over the tasks a computer science student should have accomplished before completing their first year of studies in college. Whether you are a new student or about to start your first year, this video will provide you with valuable insights on what you should focus on to succeed in the field of computer science. The first task is to have a good understanding of programming basics. This includes knowledge of at least one programming language and the ability to write simple programs. You should also be familiar with basic algorithms and data structures. The second task is to have a good understanding of the computer science fundamentals. This includes the ability to analyze problems and design solutions using computational thinking. The third task is to have experience with real-world applications of computer science. This can be through internships, projects, or other opportunities. The fourth task is to have a good grasp of mathematics, including calculus, linear algebra, and discrete mathematics. And finally, the fifth task is to have good communication and teamwork skills. Computer science is a collaborative field, and being able to work well with others is essential. These tasks are the building blocks of your career and will provide a strong foundation for your future studies and career. By mastering these skills, you will be well equipped to take on the challenges of the field and excel in your upcoming years of studies. So, start working towards these tasks today, and set yourself up for a successful career in computer science. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of the essential tasks that a computer science student should aim to accomplish in their first year of studies. Thank you for watching.